Renate, thanks for spending some time with us. So, because today we would like to explain you the MF box for Biocircle GT and Biocircle GTI.
Exactly. So, what was the goal? We wanted to have a safe working place for our customer. We wanted to have more pressure for the customer to even speed up the cleaning, make a safe blow dry. Exactly.
Yes, a simple device with low investment, high return on invest, and fast payback.
Exactly.
The customer can save additional money because the job is done very quickly. The device always available, easy approachable, and that speeds up in the end also the cleaning process.
And very flexible, so you can use it as it is here with having the box. But if you have bigger parts, just put it away.
Versatile, multifunctional means MF, multifunctional. Is for high impulse pressure cleaning. HIP, the so-called HIP cleaning, high impulse pressure cleaning. We installed there the air diaphragm pump that you know. This gives impulses. And then we formed in there's a special spray nozzle which forms big drops who arrive with a high impulse on the surface of the part to remove the particles, the dirt from the surface.
Yes.
Additionally, we can still use the brush, the flow-through brush that you know from the Biocircle, where it's famous for. And you can do also the soaking with the standard plug that you offer your customers for cleaning parts. Yeah, so and after all the cleaning process, the part can be also blow dried without the risk getting some splashes on the clothes or in the face. Shall we look in the details?
We look in the details, yes.
Easy to install. Just lift 13 kilos. This is the fast connector which comes with the MF box. Just install in front of the elbow and connect it. Finally, connect compressed air supply.
Pressure there.
Just fasten the MF box for safety. We can start cleaning our parts already. Open the lid, place your parts inside. This is the nozzle for cleaning the window. Save your time putting small parts through the cuffs.
The hip cleaning gun.
Renate, so there are no gloves at the device?
No, that's especially now in Corona times. Each user can use his own gloves, so he should definitely use gloves. But he can use something like this, very long. He can use shorter ones, like this. So he's completely free in the choice of his gloves.
Okay, great.
So take them on, one hand, takes them on and start working.
Nice. Everybody can take his personal preference.
Yes.
Also, according safety for how much cut protection do you need for sharp edges.
Yes.
And I mean, you know, we have also a lot of BioCircle customers who like to use the BioCircle because it's safe and the liquid is safe also without gloves. So this is of course also the option.
Yes.
Even so, we advise using gloves, especially for using for longer time.
Yes. So feel free to choose the gloves that suit you best.
And a couple of gloves you find also in our offer.